In America, it is hard to imagine not being able to turn on the tap and immediately be gratified with hot or cold clean water. It may not even occur to the average person that water is not easily accessed everywhere as it is in the United States. How many gallons of water does an average American family use in one day?
One day. What do you think, Dennis? Say
in one day,
couple thousand maybe?
Maybe, I'll say 50 gallons in a day.
Okay.
I'd say realistically speaking, maybe a couple gallons.
In developing countries, the lack of access to clean and safe water adds up to some staggering statistics. Nearly 1 billion people are affected by the water and sanitation crisis that leads to around 3,575,000 deaths annually. Many preventable water-related and waterborne diseases cause these deaths. Other contributors include poor hygiene and lack of sanitary facilities. On March 6, 2012, the World Health Organization met their targeted goal of cutting in half the number of people without access to water. While these advances are substantial and should be celebrated, there are still over 780 million people lacking safe water. Sanitation standards are lagging, even farther behind, with 2.5 billion people lacking proper hygiene and lavatory facilities. Collection falls largely on the shoulders of women and children, who sometimes travel miles just to reach a source of potable water. Although many advances have been made, providing water is only the first step. Access to clean water must not only be increased and improved, but the supply must be protected and managed with integrity and prudence. Many organizations are working tirelessly to make water readily accessible and safe for men, women, and children everywhere. Furman University's Global Issues Forum is currently advocating for those who suffer from lack of clean water. They will be hosting many experts and events in upcoming months, including a water walk that will take place on April 13th.
Recently I talked with Claire Chipman, who's a student here at Furman University.
This summer, I'll be researching Agua del Pueblo, which is a nonprofit in Guatemala that's searching to provide water to communities that wouldn't necessarily have it.
Who will you be working with this summer?
This summer, I'll be working with just one other student and then a professor, Dr. Clemens, he was one of the founders of this organization. We're writing the history of it this summer, and if we are able to understand how they have managed to be so effective at what they're doing, then I think it is a technique that could be applied to many other places and solve the issues that are around the world.
If you're looking for a way to get involved or to simply learn more about the water and sanitation crisis that's going on, please visit the Furman Global Issues blog at furmangif.wordpress.com.